Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Monday, July 26th, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading decisions, whether you are a trader or an investor. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir seems to be bouncing on something today. So Palantir is up 32 cents, 1.47%, closed at 22.13. Basically, let's look at this here. This line is a new line that I just put there. It was not there yesterday. So basically, we have a nice green candle, higher high, but also a lower low, a very local support at 21.55. 21.55, and guess what? We already have a intraday support for that. So basically, we cannot go under 21.55. We have not gone under that Friday and also today. So something is happening. The stock is stronger than I thought it would be, because if the stock had been just weaker, it would have just gone towards the support at 21 bucks, but no, it is making a low that's higher than the previous low that was here maybe at $21. Maybe this is the beginning of a bull trend. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So basically this is what happened during the first hour of the day. We opened at 21.77, went pretty low, went at 21.48. And then shot up to 22.30. So I like it when a stock like this breaks a resistance, but just before goes towards the support that was there and even breaks that support momentarily, briefly during the hour, and then shuts back up. So I like this. I think it makes for a higher probability of trade. Then afterwards, we basically topped at 22.22, nice number. Then had a little bit of a pullback, a little bit more than 50% of the body of the candle, but 50% of the overall candle, including the wicks. And we did not go underneath that. We just kept climbing for the last 4 hours. I really like to see this. And looking at stochastic from the hourly chart, we see that stochastic is at 61.90. Pretty nice that stochastic is following along with the stock. MACD, and we are still in the hour chart. MACD crossed over bullish on the hour chart, and also the DMI. From the hourly chart perspective, we really have a nice impulse. Will this impulse last? That is going to be an answer that we are going to have tomorrow and during the rest of the week. But so far, we are having a nice turnaround of things. And we also, I did not mention this, but we also broke out of this resistance here. So all of this happened at the same time. Broke out of the resistance, stochastic going over 50, MACD crossing over, DMI crossing over. All nice things that I like to see. Let's go back to the daily chart. In terms of the daily chart, let's look at the indicators. Stochastic is leveling off. It was going down a little bit. Still pretty weak at 22.73. The stock will need to move a little bit more to convince stochastic that there's some power into it, but there's an interesting turn of event in the intraday chart. MACD is still leveling off. And the gap is also closing. We are at minus 0.66 for the MACD and minus 0.54 for the orange line, the blue line I meant. So we are close to seeing this crossover, the DMI. We are going to need to have a lot more great days for the DMI to finally cross over. So there you have it. A nice day for Palantir. Let's see what this stock is going to do for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. We have a Patreon account, Discord server, TradingView affiliate link, and also you can become a member of this great YouTube channel. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.